أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Hafiz Bilal Ahmed, and inshallah in this class we are going to start the prayer at the time when something make you sad. And before starting this dua, if you didn't subscribe our channel, so please subscribe it first and also share with your friends. Now we start. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Ya Hayyu Ya Hayyu Ya Qayyumu Ya Qayyumu Birahmatika Astaghithu So ya belong due to alif madda. Ya Hayyu. Similarly here, Ya Qayyumu. So this qaf we did in heavy sound due to isti'la letter, and you belong due to waw madda. Waw is coming with sukoon sign on it, and there is dhamma on the before letter. That's why we long. This is waw madda. Ya Qayyumu Birahmatika. Ra also we read in heavy sound, and make sure to read ha sound clearly and with the flowing of your ear. Birahmatika Astaghithu. So here also read sin in whistling sound, and then ghain in heavy sound, and we long this ghain due to ya madda. Ya is coming with sukoon sign, and there is kasra before the ya, so that's why we long here. Now I repeat this all again. Ya Hayyu Ya Qayyumu Birahmatika Astaghithu. 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 So this is today's dua. Inshallah we will come with the new dua in the next class. And if you like this video, so click on the like button, share with your friends. Inshallah, see you in the next class. Have a nice time. Stay tuned. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.